Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Srijoy and I welcome you to a brand new vlog. And I'm right now in Coimbatore station, as you can see behind my backdrop. I'm going to take you to a very beautiful, short and sweet getaway to three beautiful places for mainly Isha Foundation, Adi Yogi, which is main attraction, followed by Kunur, and then after that Uti, and I'll be taking you back via Bangalore to back to Hyderabad. So I'm right now shooting in Coimbatore and I didn't show you much of the journey, so I came by Sabari Express. It's almost on time, just 10-15 minutes late. It's around 8:15 in the morning and we are right now in Coimbatore station. We'll be walking towards the bus stand and I'll show you the local way of traveling through all these places. So stay tuned with me for the whole journey. The vlogs are going to come one by one episode, which will be easy for you to understand. If you have any questions throughout the journey, do let me know and I'll definitely be happy to reply back to you for your help. So let's start the journey all the way to Adi Yogi from the Gandhipuram bus stand, and we'll take the 14D bus from there, which is scheduled to leave at around 9 o'clock in the morning. Let's start the journey. So guys, this is the Coimbatore bus stand. Just around 15 minutes from the station, and we are going to the Isha Foundation. We'll take the bus 14D from here, which will take around 40 rupees, and we'll reach Isha Foundation in around half an hour to 40 minutes. It's around 28-30 kilometers from here. I will take a 14D bus from here. So guys, we basically went from here to the bus stand, and while we are going back, we are going through this Coimbatore junction from the same place where we went. So as you can see, this is exactly where we are 45 minutes before. So point is, we have to go there because otherwise we won't get the seat. So we have to go there just for 6 rupees and then get the seat, and then back from here we are back to this destination Adi Yogi. Let's go and I'll give you. So yes, we are right now in Adi Yogi place. So this is where the bullock cart stand is. The Adi Yogi is on this side, and the place which you can see out here is where you need to submit your bags. As you can see, the valuable bags counter, and it's free of cost. You have to submit all your bags and belongings and your mobile phone and everything, and then from here you have to go in. So you just go in and deposit your bags, and mobile phones aren't allowed. So you have to submit all your valuables out here. And yes, by the way, the bus journey is around 35-40 minutes, or roughly around 50 minutes or so. It's around 30 kilometers from the Coimbatore railway station. It costs 50 rupees and you get regular buses from there. And from the Coimbatore bus stand, it's just beside walking distance, 6 rupees as I showed you. So there only you get your seat. It's a non-stop bus service, and that's how you reach Adi Yogi station out here, which is Isha Foundation as well. So let's go and travel around. So guys, we went from here to Dhyanalingam. This is Dhyanalingam, and the timings are mentioned like this, which is 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. So almost all the things are inside this, where what happens is that when you go inside, यहाँ पे you have Dhyanalingam, you have Surya Kund. Surya Kund में is for men's, when you can take out deep in the holy water. The another portion is for women, so ladies can also go ahead with dipping in the holy water. Apart from that, there is a place to do dhyan. There is a dome kind of a thing where you can do meditation. Apart from that, there are places where there is a Shivling temple where you can put prasad. You can have prasad and all. Apart from this, there is overall this a very good place where the one is for holy dipping water, one is for Shivji temple, one is for Surya Kund, Astakund, and yoga center. And all these things overall, it takes around 3-4 hours or so. So we came in the morning around 10 o'clock. It's around 1:30-2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, but point is, right behind me there are two things to do, which is one of all is the bullock cart. So I'll take you there, and it's all famous Adi Yogi statue. But it is so sunny right now. As you can see, it's very, very sunny. It's reflecting right on my face. We can't go there and see it. It's very hot. So I'll be going back to Coimbatore, and from there I'll going back to Kunur. Today being a Sunday, it's very crowded. As you can see, it's completely crowded out here. So all this is sunny, you cannot see, but it's too much crowd out here. Adi Yogi statue, which is for the light and sound show. It happens around 7 o'clock in the evening. So when you go here, you can see it's Adi Yogi light and sound show at 7 p.m. every day. I'll put some videos of how we are going to Kunur. So we are going to take bus back to the Coimbatore bus stand, and from there we're going to take another bus to the Kunur, and few shots on the way to Kunur. Just a few bit of addition in this. This is the new bus stand in Coimbatore, And basically from the old bus stand which you saw in the morning for going to Adiyogi, you have to take a bus another for the new bus stand, and this new bus stand is actually the place from where Coimbatore it goes to Ooty and Kunur and all these places. So as this bus is standing, this is going to Ooty, and these are interstate buses. So you have to come here and take the bus to Kunur. And I'll just leave you with the footages which we capture from the front seat off to Kunur. See you there. So we start our journey all the way to Kunur from the new bus stand. And sorry, this is the Metupalam bus stand, where you, it's a kind of transit bus stand where you get all the buses to Kunur, Ooty and Kotagiri. By the way, just to inform you guys that this kind of bus journeys, they aren't much available in the Google platform, sadly. If you go to Google and search, you won't get this information. There are a lot of buses, mostly state buses owned by Tamil Nadu Tourism. The costing is very simple. It's like from Coimbatore to Kunur is also 75 rupees per head, and Coimbatore to Ooty is also 75 rupees per head. So round trip is around 150 bucks, that's all. And buses are available almost every other minute. Finally, around 6:15 we are in Kunur, and straight is Kotagiri and Dolphin Nose. And you can see this is Coimbatore. Coimbatore is on left, and right is Metupalayam. This is the small bus stop in Kunur. So we're gonna board this bus to the hotel, and we'll see the local tourism. So finally that's the end of day one, and we reached this particular place, which is the JJS cottages. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. Before leaving, thank you so much for watching the part 1 episode. The part 2 comes tomorrow. Take care, bye. Do subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. If you have any kind of questions and queries, please do write out to me and put in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to all of you. I'll see you in the other part, and thank you so much. Before finishing, meet Nandiji. Bye bye and see you. Take care.